Hi guys, this is Kamel. Today, I'm gonna share with you how to make a new hand-drawn border frame effect that looks like this. It's pretty easy to do as long as you get an iPad, an application Procreate, and a free video editor, VideoProc Vlogger. You can also join our Facebook group to download the ready-made footage directly. Alright, if you're into this topic, keep watching. We need to create a new canvas. If you're not familiar with the basic operation of Procreate, get a quick start by watching this tutorial. Today, let's still choose Custom Canvas. Enter 1980 by 1080 or other 16 by 9 aspect ratio size. Boost the DPI a little bit. After creating the canvas, we can start drawing the border frame. Let's draw an irregular frame that looks like this. Let's type here to open this layer. Disable the background. Select a loved color to fill the background with that color. After that, let's add a new layer. Then we use a brush to outline an area. Give it caution, we should draw connected lines. Then again, we fill this area with a loved color. Open the Layers panel, tap the thumbnail here. Choose Select. Then we tap the thumbnail of the previous layer, select Clear. We can find the color in the selected area disappear. Let's hide this layer and spice up our painting. Now we're going to make this three-dimensional border. Let's just fill it with any color we like. Then create a new layer. Select a lighter color and draw a circle like this. Give it caution, we need to use a closed brush. I recommend you go with monoline. Afterwards, we tap here. Go to the menu bar on the bottom, select Automatic and Add. Tap the center of the painting. We can see the middle area is selected. If you have the whole screen selected, you can adjust the threshold by swiping left on the canvas. Then we select the background layer. Tap this arrow button and move the selected range to the outside of the canvas. Afterward, we open the layer, select this thumbnail. Tap Select. Then create a new layer and place it at the bottom. Choose black to fill the selection with black. Select the arrow button and change its position a little bit. After that, let's go to here and find Gaussian blur. Add some blurry effect. Open the layer, tap here. Bring down the transparency a little bit. Then we uncheck the selection of the background layer. Choose PNG output. That's it. Let's add the prepared frame and footage to VideoProc Vlogger. Add the video to the video track. Add the frame we just made to the overlay track. Then we go to the Inspector panel to choose Fit to the Screen Height. Select the video. Click on here to reposition it. Don't leave any gaps here. Then we need to increase the duration of the frame based on our need. Surely, we can also add some text or stickers to decorate it, so our video can look more engaging. That's all for today. I'll bring you more tutorials about hand-drawn style videos. Feel free to visit our homepage to find more awesome tutorials for other stunning effects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can get notified as soon as we post new content. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in our next video. Bye!